I'm honored and elated to welcome you all in our Achievers Meet of CLAT result, of course. So this is a legal meet. Well, my name is Embark, and on behalf of Career Launcher, I would like to begin this Achievers Meet by congratulating these successful candidates who have cleared this CLAT exam with flying colors. So a big round of applause for them. Now you are very close. Of course, your hard work, dedication, perseverance have paid off finally, and you have earned this well-deserved recognition. And now you are one step closer to achieving your dreams, to become a legal expert, as a lawyer, attorney, solicitor, legislator, judge, any legal expert. And with great achievements come great responsibilities. Am I right? बड़ी ताकतों के साथ बड़ी जिम्मेदारी भी आती है ना? Spider-Man dialogue. Well, without a further ado, ये सब के पीछे एक process होता है. There is a process behind. There is a master strategy. There is a master protocol or best practices through which perhaps all these toppers over here went through. Am I right? और इसके पीछे एक mastermind होता है. So I feel privileged to introduce, rather, you are well aware of this personality, a mastermind, an entrepreneur, a leader, a teacher, and a superb mentor, Lloyd sir. A round of applause for Lloyd sir. He is currently the director of 3 CL centers. CL Nagpur, as in Career Launcher Nagpur, Nagpur, Pune, and Ahmedabad. So, सर का मार्गदर्शन हमको हमारे टीचर्स को भी मिलता है और बच्चों को मिलता है. So gradually we become the best in our field, as we can see. So without further ado, the best practices, the CL Nagpur system, which is a mastermind of our director Sir Lloyd sir, I would like to invite him on the dais so that he shares his views on the best practices. A round of applause for Lloyd sir.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome. Way back in 2000, there was this firm called as Blockbuster Movie in US. They had almost 9,800 odd stores across US and Europe together, and almost 58,000 odd employees. It was a big firm. Big firm. तो वो क्या करते थे? वो they used to sell DVDs or give out DVDs on rental basis. One fine morning, 2 guys came to the office. एक का नाम था Reed Hastings and the other was Mark. ठीक है? Both of them started talking to the CEO of Blockbuster Movie. Blockbuster. His name was John Antioch. ठीक है? उसके साथ बातचीत करना चालू करे. और फिर बोलने लगे कि हम ऐसा बनाएंगे, हम फ्यूचर ऐसा देखते हैं, हम ऐसा देखते हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें होने वाली है फ्यूचर में, और इसके लिए हमें ये परिवर्तन करना पड़ेगा, ये सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ेगी. जॉन heard them out for around half an hour. After half an hour, he said, क्या चाहिए तुम दोनों को? क्या चाहिए? What do you want? You want to sell our company. At what price? John asked. At what price? He said $50 million. Tears started rolling down his eyes. Especially John. Because he started laughing so loudly and he fell off his chair. He told them to go around the entire US, and even if they could fetch $5 million, that would be an achievement for them. And then he kicked them out of the showers. 10 years later, Blockbuster went bankrupt, and Mark and Reed Hastings' firm, which is now popularly called Netflix, was valued at $10 million. If you could see the change coming, and if you can react, respond, and figure out what is to be done, if you could envision it, then the success would be yours. A very similar thing happened with us in 2019, wherein we were flummoxed, confused, whatever you say, as to bewildered as to what is to be done when Professor Mustafa changed the entire pattern of CLAT. It was previously an aptitude-based test. In fact, in English, spelling correction आता था. There used to be 5 questions, and you have to spot the incorrect word. Grammar used to be spot the incorrect sentence. It wasn't very difficult. It was all aptitude-based, completely aptitude-based. But it suddenly changed the pattern and made the entire exam comprehension-based. Wherein now you have your passages. Even quant is a passage. LR is a passage. LR is a passage. However, the basics remain the same, but the entire modus operandi changed. And we were quite confused as to how we should go about it. Because the pattern favored students of metro cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Kolkata, and Delhi. Why? Because over there, the pedagogy of schools is such that you start reading from the very beginning. Students over there are voracious readers. Voracious readers, I mean, they read a lot. Because of which comprehension is better. So it favored metro city students and not students of tier 1 and tier 2. At that point of time, we changed our entire game plan. What we did is, we changed our study material to comprehension based. And the other big thing that we did was to drive our entire CLAT program in the IIT fashion. When in the last 5 odd months, we do something called as advanced and close to 16 modules of booster, which kind of helped us to change the way our students approach the exam. So this was a best practice which we developed at that point of time, wherein we changed our pedagogy comprehension based and we introduced 2 extra programs called as advanced and booster. This 2 programs were unique to 3 of our centers. As in Career Launcher has 250 centers across the country, but only 3 of these centers adopted it. And across these 3 centers, we have a total of 91 students who would be going into national exams as of now. Which essentially means that this number would climb up to 140 odd students by the time the 3rd and 4th round CLAT rounds get over. So, I guess apart from the brilliant students that we have, the process or the pedagogy or the thing, the drill that you have put through makes a huge difference. So this was our best practice that we introduced. And perhaps the hard work of the students, hard work of all our students paid off. We have Abhinav who is all India rank 1, Shubham who is all India rank 3, Manu who is all India rank 10, Arnav from Pune who is all India rank 4, and plethora of other ranks. Among 100 we have close to, I guess close to 18 to 19 odd ranks within 100. And by God's grace, if everything goes fine, CLAT-2024 also we would have these many ranks. For the simple reason, the fate comes from the very fact that the process is going to remain the same and nobody across the country has replicated that process. And the testimony to the process is that we do not have one-off case, we have 91 students, probably we should try to 140 students. So, with that thought in our mind, I'd like to go into our...
That's how. And they tell you this golden dialogue that one word or one error from you can cost crores of rupees to a person and also at times their life. So be very cautious about what you write, what you think. English language, that's very important. Second, you should have a rational mind. You should not be the person who just jumps on conclusion. You are the one who silently sits and observes. That's why one of the first competitions in law school with these guys will participate is called as a client counseling, where teachers, faculty, seniors will pose as clients. They will come and they will lie on the facts, and they are the ones who have to deduce out the real essence of the entire thing. That's exactly how they enhance their inquiring ability and the rational mind. Third thing, very important, you should be interested in people. And you should be interested in people in such a way that you are a solution maker. You are not the person who just keeps accusing. If a government comes out with a law, you are not the one who's accusing them. My client was not the result. my client was RCI, CBSE, just like they have in schools. So can you file a case against CBSE because the school defaults? Right? So that was my entire thing. I went to the court, it was a National Consumer Forum, it was the last forum where I went and I just excused my client. I said, see, it is not done, this is my client business. I said, we just do affiliations. Now, most of the case when I was standing outside, this lady came and she slapped me. Okay, right. There is no shame in saying that, but yeah, I was very young. I was standing there and that, yeah, the advocates came for, the other advocates, they came for my defense. And I was shaken. I was thinking, what is happening? I had the Nokia 3310, which was like thrown in the air. What is happening? And then I cried. It was cursing me right there. I went back home. Again, boys, we are very close to our mothers. I called up my mom and said, Mama, I said, he was like, but then, 2 weeks after, the NLS Bangalore results were out. And believe me, all the toppers were our students were getting. And I felt at the top of the world, just like, I can relate to all the faculty, how paid they are. That resulting is when you feel like really, your entire hard work is now paying off. Those glows on the skin is something which you live for. And I remember, I cannot name, but there was a minister of Delhi government who hosted me in his house just because he thought his son would never crack, but his son started studying coaching, joined our coaching. And then, that's the kind of appreciation you look out for, right? And then I had an offer from Sachin to join LSP full-time as a national head. And believe me, I could not resist it. I called up my dad. I told him that, okay, I'm quitting. I don't want to work as a corporate lawyer. I want to go to teaching because I'll be heading the entire country. My dad was like, you keep giving me shocks. First you want to do law, I let you do it, but now what are you doing? But believe me, they were all risks based upon certain ownership as I do. And all those ownership came through those 5 years I spent in law school. I matured quite early, believe me. And that's how the course is designed. Those 5 years is not just about classroom, where a faculty would come and teach you about human behavior. It's much more than that. It tells you things which no other probably graduate school is telling you. How many of you are the youngest at home? Yeah, almost everyone. Yeah, I was the youngest at home. So I call us the Ravi Kuchli Janta of the house. Because parents will say, no, you are the most powerful. But yeah, I remember my house was getting shifted as I came from school and I saw my belongings getting packed. And I told my dad, I inquired, what is happening? And my dad was like, we bought a new house later. And I was like, देखो बताएं. Dad was like, so that was the, so think about it, for me, it was a big moment in my life when I was in third year. And there was this auntie from the colony who came to our house and she said that she wants to have legal advice from me. My dad's instant reaction was, one of which is, it compels me to go back memory lane and reminisce those memories of mine when I was tutoring students for law. And I remember that was a time which was very, very difficult. The examination was very, very difficult. Not that I am discounting anything today, it is as well difficult in terms of the competition.